Would you like to know the single fastest way to grow a business online? It's not really that big of a secret, but if you don't do this, you're always going to struggle. The good news is it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. It's actually very, very cheap to do it. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of Ads Growth Academy. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, known as the Man in the Hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can film successfully. Well, made by Neil over here. Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead because I tell the same stale jokes day in and day out. Do you think I'd learn by now and get some new jokes? But no, I still do the same boring jokes over and over again. Go figure. But anyway, seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things: review software and info products. They make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing in my eyes? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't buy much of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman. You know, that guy along with Bart from The Simpsons and a few other people, there's a crazy guy who keeps talking about loving crap. You know, they're driving me crazy. Seriously. Dude, new line, okay? Forget about it, okay? Seriously. The two of you and Kramer, you know, get a new line. Seriously. If you are new, the way you need to work here if I like your product. I will give a tip on how to start a career. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos about my mindset and entrepreneurship.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Why, thank you, Barry. You know, I'm not quite a billionaire entrepreneur yet. I'm working on it. Not quite there yet, but thank you for the vote of confidence. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Okay, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for Ads Growth Academy. You can see some of the testimonials that they've been able to get for this program. Now, this thing, I've been looking through it. Really, really incredible stuff. Very, very well put together with a lot of good information. Now, a lot of people get scared at the idea of paid advertising, and I understand why. Because you can easily spend thousands of dollars and waste it all and get no results. The good news is that you don't have to spend thousands or even hundreds of dollars. You can put in tiny amounts here and there, test what works, and then once you find something that works, you just keep adding to it and keep reinvesting the money. So it's really, really very, very inexpensive. And the good news is that these guys are going to make it like ridiculously cheap. Plus, they're going to make sure that you succeed. Now, how are they going to do that? Well, first of all, to pick it up, it's only going to cost you $1 for 7 days, and that's $7.77 a month. Okay. Now, maybe saying, Eric, monthly? Why am I paying monthly for a course? Well, because they also have monthly coaching sessions, live coaching sessions where you actually get to interact with the experts who are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, per month even, by doing paid ads. They understand paid ads, they know what's involved in doing it, and they know how to help you scale from spending $5, $10 here and there, getting started so you can test things out, and getting you to the point where you're making those thousands of dollars and reinvesting that and making more and more and more and more and more. And that's really the way to scale. Because ultimately, you know, a lot of people say, oh, Eric, I only want free stuff. I don't want to pay for ads. That's fine. Okay. But ultimately, one way or another, you're paying for your traffic. Okay. Either you're going to pay for traffic by paying for paid ads, which is going to get you a lot more traffic a lot faster, and it's going to get you better quality traffic a lot faster, or you're going to pay with your time for free because you're going to work like crazy to build yourself up and keep pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing until you get to the point where eventually maybe you're doing 1/10 of what paid advertising could actually do for you. So you don't have to be afraid of it. You just have to know how to use it effectively so that you're not going to be wasting a ton of money. Now, in order to help you, by the way, to make sure that this is going to really make a difference for you, I do have a custom bonus, which is second to none. Really, really an incredible bonus for you. So first and foremost, I'm going to give you 101 reports on making money online with PLR rights. That means you can sell these, you can give them away, use them as a bonus. This is great when you're doing paid ads because you can actually go ahead and use these reports as your very own ads that you can actually turn around and just give away. It's a way of attracting leads. And that's really what you're doing. You want to build up your lead base. You want to build up your list of emails. So if you get up more people to sign up by giving them something that's valuable, they're going to say, oh, wow, this is valuable. This is useful. Thank you. And they're going to go ahead and sign up. You're going to get that for free. Even if all you pick up is just a trial for $1, you'll get that for free from me. You do have to request it because this is on paid Kickstart. It's not on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, which is what I usually use. So you'll see if you're looking on YouTube, just click the link in the description. If you're on my website, you'll see that it says send your receipt to this email address in order to get your bonus. And you're going to get those completely for free. Now, if you pick up any upgrade to this package, then I'm also going to throw in nearly $1,000 worth of free advertising. Now, this is not free advertising like, junk stuff. This is basically where I've done the research and found various places that are giving away free advertising credits because they want you to try out their traffic. They want you to see how good it is. And so each one is going to give you $100, $200 here and there. It's like $965, I think, is the total you're going to be able to get. In addition to those, I've also put together a really special thing where I'm actually going to go ahead and give you ready to deploy ads for my own products. You can actually go ahead and sell and keep the commissions on. So basically, you're going to have ready to use ads. You can go ahead and sell these ads and put up these ads and then sell. And you have a ready to sell product that already has a proven track record of making money. I'm going to give you the ads that are ready to use. So you don't have to create them yourself. You're going to have these ads ready to go. Plus, again, when you pick up any upgrade, you're going to get, first of all, obviously you get the 101 money-making ideas. These are full reports, by the way, not just a list. So we're talking about serious material. You're going to get that. That's included even if you just pick up the trial. Pick up any upgrade, you're going to get my access to my information on where to get free advertising. You're also going to get my done-for-you ads along with guaranteed approval to promote my products. Plus, on top of those things, I'm also going to share with you a secret website that I found that allows me to create all the various ad sizes. Because if you look on Google Ads, and that's just one of the places that you can advertise. There's hundreds of places you can advertise. If you look on Google Ads, then you're going to see that they have all different sizes of ads. And it's true. You go to different websites and they have all different types of ads. They have along the side, they have along the top, they have little corner ads, whatever it is. And these are all different standardized sizes. Now, you could create these ads individually. It will take you a ton of time to do it. Or you can use my secret method that I found to do it for free in about 5 minutes flat. It's very, very simple, very, very easy to do. And you're going to get that again when you pick up any upgrade. Plus, I'm also going to hand you my guide to native ads, as well as my guide to Facebook, Google, and Twitter ads. That's also going to be included with the package when you pick up any upgrade. So basically, pick up just a trial for $1, and I'm already going to give you the 101 ways of making money online. These are full reports, each one about 500 to 1,000 words. You're talking, like a lot of material here that you're going to be getting from me that is going to come with PLR rights. You can sell it, give it away, use it as a bonus. Pick up any upgrade, you're going to get all the other bonuses included as well. So basically any upgrade to the package, and of course, you do have the monthly live coaching sessions, and it's going to cost you just $7.77 per month in order to get in on those live coaching sessions. So it's really, really worth being able to do that, because you can talk to these experts who are going to be answering your questions one-on-one to help you to make sure that you're going to succeed. So, and again, you can see right here, if we scroll down to the bottom of the sales page, we can see here, by the way, some of the money that they're making. Okay, this is how much they're making per lead. Okay, very, very good stuff. And it's going to cost you $1 to get in, literally just $1. All right, plus $7.77 a month after the trial. If you cancel the trial, you can still keep my bonus of 101 methods for making money online, but I don't think you're going to want to cancel when it's only $7.77 and you get access to the live coaching every month, because that's really, really valuable to have. Let's check out the members area real quick over here. You can see here they have all these different methods that are included for you that you can take a look at and actually see exactly how to do this. Plus, of course, they're going to give you access to their live Zoom sessions once a month. We're going to be able to actually go ahead and participate with the experts to learn more about how to do paid ads. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you the man. This is awesome stuff. And when you're talking about a price this low, you really have to get in on this, because this is going to skyrocket your business and actually turn you into a real business, a paid business that's actually going to make real money for you. Ultimately, there is no substitute for paid ads. You know, free traffic can only take you so far. This is going to get you where you really want to be. Grab this. This is worth it. You're going to love it.